to Kelly Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for you for today? Today I am bringing to you the new items that the Dollar Tree is now carrying and some upcoming items that I will be using in upcoming DIYs. So let's jump into it and let me show you what new items the Dollar Tree is carrying. So if you're interested in any of these, you know to keep your eye open for them, and some of the items that you can expect to see in some of my upcoming DIYs. Alrighty, how about we start this haul off with these bamboo wind chimes. They came in two different colors and two different styles. We've got this cherry wood here and this natural wood. Both really cool wind chimes. I love the style of these, so I picked up one in each color. And this here is a new item at my Dollar Tree, these fun wall plaques. This one says, Dad's wisdom, a little bit of dirt never hurt anyone. Go ask your mother, do as I say, not as I do. Money doesn't grow on trees, it builds character. What a fun wall plaque. And this one here says, Grandpa's house rules, expect to be spoiled, expect storytelling, dessert comes first, kitchen is always open, sleepovers welcome. How stinking cute are these? And this one is fun too for that man that has a man cave. This gives them the man cave rules, the remote is mine, junk food is nutrition, no chick flicks, selective hearing only, if it itches, scratch it. That is so funny. And you can see here, this is how they're hung up on the wall. These plaques don't come with a stand. These next fun decor pieces do come with a stand on the back. This one says, copy because anger management is too expensive. I love that. Stand out and can't touch this. How stinking cute are these? And I also found this elephant that says dream big for Kayla. And I am loving the new wall decal stickers that Dollar Tree is now carrying. Such fun options to decorate a little girl or a little boy's room. This one here is just so stinking cute. Allie had to have it. And you've got these headphones and music notes and guitar for a cute little boy's room. I also found these magnetic frames that are very farmhouse. Loving these. This one says loved, and it is that old distressed weathered wood, and it's got the magnet on the back. And I also found this plain one that is set horizontally. And how about these decorative 2-drawer sets? There is no DIY needed for these. These are just really cute on their own. The drawers are a pretty nice size. And they came in several different colors. I picked up these for Allie's room. This was an amazing and fantastic find. I am loving that the Dollar Tree is now carrying stretched canvas. They came in 3 different sizes. This is such a fantastic find. It comes in a 6x8, a 5x7, and a 4x6. What a fantastic buy for $1. And as if that wasn't good enough, they also had the canvas panels. They have an 8x10 that just comes with 1, and the 5x7 that came with 2, and the 4x6 that came with 3 panels. Fantastic buy, and you can expect to see these used in an upcoming DIY. This was kind of a cool find, and I know that I've seen them hauled in other hauls before, these key storage rocks. You flip it over and there's this empty space here at the bottom for the key, and this plastic part just goes on the back, and you can set this outside to store your house key if that's something you do. Now, if this isn't a rock that matches your outside landscaping, don't forget you can always paint it. I was so excited to see these Decorative Owls. in the floral section. I've gotten the birds before, but I've never seen the owls, and my Dollar Tree had them in 2 different colors, this taupe and this yellow. They've got a clip on them, but that's something that's easily removed, and so these will also be in upcoming DIYs. And are you kidding me? Essential oils at the Dollar Tree? What? It's a pump and it's ready to use, and it's by Aroma Guru. This is a lavender, and the oils that are used are sweet almond oil and lavender essential oil for this lavender ready to use pump. It is 100% pure and natural essential oils. And they also had this ready to use pump for relaxing, and it comes with a sweet almond oil and the Relax essential oil blend. And lastly, I found this tree tea essential oil roll-on. What a fantastic buy for these aromatherapy essential oils. Allie spotted these hanging banners, and of course you knew it caught her eye because it says Believe in Magic and it's a unicorn. And work that crown. How stinking cute are these? More decor pieces for kids' bedrooms. I love it. This was another fantastic find. These 3-foot decorative stems. This is something you typically can find at Joann's or Michael's. Dollar Tree has them in several different colors. I picked up the green, brown, and burgundy. And they would pair very nicely with this taller metal tin. Love, love, love these angels. I found 3 of them at my Dollar Tree. Had to get all 3 of them because I love them, and they are a wood figurine. There's this one with a heart, one praying, and one holding a cross. I love these. And how about these decorative crystal rock stands? They've got the stand in the back here. I love these. Follow your dreams, live life in full bloom, and love never fails. Also found 4 of these decorative light boxes. Live more, worry less. When you flip it over, you can turn it on here in the back. You can get the batteries for these also at the Dollar Tree. Look at how fun those are. Every day is a second chance. Adventure awaits, and good vibes only. I love these. These are really cool. And of course, I can't pass up some really cool coffee mugs that say coffee on them. I found these 3 new mugs. And this Twig Garlin is not a new item to the Dollar Tree, but it is definitely a seasonal one. I saw it for the first time last year around this time, and I saw it again this year. It's 4 feet long, and I love this one because the branch on it is brown. It's not just the green branch, and so I think that this makes it look just a bit more realistic. You can expect to see this used in an upcoming DIY. I also found these shatterproof glass lids by Philippe Richards. These are pretty cool. They fit a 4-quart pressure cooker or saucepan. And so I picked up 2 of these. This is another great find. These 14-inch foiled number balloons. How fantastic is that? This is something I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before, so I picked up a bunch of numbers for upcoming birthdays. And lastly, I found this flashing LED wand for Allie. This is pretty cool. It has 7 different modes, and it's powered by 3 AAA batteries. It glows, strobes, oscillates, and flashes. That spells fun for Allie. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for my first Dollar Tree haul of August. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that there were items that you saw that you know to keep your eye open for. And like I've said before, I know that not everybody's Dollar Trees carry the same items as mine, and some of you seem to have a really hard time finding some of the items that I find in my hauls and use in my DIYs. And I really have no answers for that. I just hate hearing that, and it just makes my heart sad, because I do these videos and I bring you these hauls because I want you all to find things on a budget that are nice, that you would never think were coming from the Dollar Tree. And so that is my goal when I do these videos and bring them to you.